Real quick hermeneutics. Good evening, friends, and welcome to this next episode of Real Quick Hermeneutics. As always, hermeneutics is how you read and interpret the Bible. The verse we're talking about today is Matthew 1, verse 13, and it says, Zerubbabel fathered Abiud, Abiud fathered Eliakim, Eliakim fathered Azor. Now, these lists of names you're not going to find back throughout the Old Testament like some of the names that we read before. Now, genealogy to Jewish people, especially back in this time, were very important because it's how they kept records, how they kept a list of who's who. And what we see here from Zerubbabel to Jesus, we only see 11 generations. And this is an example of something called telescoping. Now, telescoping means that you focus in on a specific set of names for a specific purpose. Now, telescoping alone doesn't undermine any historical veracity of any particular genealogy. The function is not to provide a comprehensive lineage, but rather a genealogical link between the beginning and the end. So to treat biblical genealogies as comprehensive records is to misread them. So as we look at the next couple of verses, these videos are going to be really short just because these people didn't do anything of particular interest. But what it's doing is it's linking the beginning of the lineage of David all the way through to Jesus. And that's why it's important. We'll see you next time.